What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Christopher Miniweather here with Deadstock Barbershop, and it is day 2 of Vlogmas. I was actually going to talk about one thing, but I changed my mind because I did receive a package today, and it does have something to do with the barbershop. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got in. This is a package from ILLUZIEN, the company that makes custom capes for your customers that you cover them up with when you're cutting their hair, as well as the smocks that barbers wear. What I did was I ordered some. Actually, I just had missed the sale for Black Friday. I thought about calling them and possibly seeing if they can just either reimburse me like my 30 extra bucks that I spent, or if they could just send me another cape, but I'm not gonna worry about it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So I don't know if they're still running their Black Friday sale or if their stuff is still on sale, but their capes, it can be pretty pricey, but when they do run their sales, they're pretty good sales. So I ordered my capes. They were like $25 on sale each. I think I ordered maybe 3 of them. Then they dropped the price down to $19.99. I will show you guys what this stuff looks like, starting with, I won't show you the black one because like I said, it's all black. So imagine these other ones, but just make it all black, right? So let's see. Let's start with this one, this Camo one right here. And the thing I like is, you know, everybody's into having their own like custom look and, you know, own personalized style when it comes to barbershops and things like that. And so you kind of want to go with what you like. You know, this I saw this one and I was like, man, this is crazy. It's clean, right? And some of them that I have others at the shop. I don't know if you guys have personally saw it, but I get people on my YouTube channel asking me, what cape is that? Where'd you get that at? Because it looks like a really big Air Jordan 6, and I have one that looks like a pair of Yeezys, one that looks like the Sean Witherspoon shoes. And so what I like, some of them though, I've always been sold on the buttons. But the thing is, I use clippers that have magnetic guards. So when I have the button snapped, you know, on here, it'll connect to it and it'll kind of like jerk the customer a little bit because the magnets are so strong and the buttons are so big. So this time I opted for only elastic bands. So put it around and it hooks on one side, then it hooks on the other side. And yeah, so this is the black and red camo. Goes with the theme of my shop. Of course, my shop has like a bunch of black and red stuff all over. Inspired by Michael Jordan. Let's see. So this one right here. This is so crazy. When I saw this one, I was like, bro, I gotta have that. So this is the Jordan camo print. I mean, not camo. Jordan cement print. And the type feature that I really liked on the bottom was, you see this? They did it like a pair of shoes. And apparently there's a QR code for some reason on the bottom. I don't know what'll happen if you scan that. Matter of fact, why guess? I'll just scan it and see what it does. It might just take me to the website. Shout out to Samsung. You know what I'm saying? I don't be messing with them iPhones no more. I wanted a real phone. So let's see. Yep, nothing. So apparently the QR code does not work. I don't know. Maybe if I had an iPhone, then it would have worked. All right, and probably gonna be my favorite, most used cape in the whole shop. Like, this thing is so crazy. Once again, we got some elastic bands. Kind of feels stretched out, but yeah. So as you guys can see, got a whole bunch of little baby sneakers on here. On ILLUZIEN, just look up baby feet. My Christmas shopping to myself, you know, this is the kind of stuff I get. Last but not least, I really want to get one of these like super customized. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when I have it on. Yeah, so I love this look. You know, it's pretty nice. I might just finish the video out with this. Nah, I'm not. It's too hot up here. I already got a hood and a hat on and some jeans and some Vans. Y'all check out these Vans. Let me know what y'all think. You know, like I said, I'm into sneakers and I've been buying more Vans lately because they're easily accessible. All the Jordans and stuff, like it's so hard to get shoes. As much as I love these shoes, it's so hard to get them. So I've been rocking stuff a little bit different. If y'all like this hoodie, I got it. If y'all like this hoodie, I got it from Old Navy in the kids section, size XXL for the junior size. It's crazy because they're, I guess I could just take them off. They're like, bro, I ain't get on here to see your shoes. But I like them because they're like alternate. Let's see. So as you can see, they alternate. This one has the yellow on the inside, this one has it on the outside, and this one has green. So inside, opposite, outsides are opposite. I love these shoes. And Vans are pretty comfortable, so. But anyway, back to the barber and stuff. www.illusion.com. I'm not affiliated with this company. It's not a sponsored video. I really love the quality of their capes. They're really thick. I like that you can customize them on their website. And yeah, man, it's something that every barber has to have in their arsenal. That concludes my Vlogmas Day 2. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.